Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the right SHAREit app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you're struggling to identify the right SHAREit app, then just follow these steps. First, I'll uninstall the app. And now to get started, go to Google Play Store if you're on Android like me. And from Google Play Store, using the search icon here, search the app by name. So just type SHAREit as one word and then run the search. As you can see, here is our app on top. Tap on it and make sure it is from Smart Media for You Technology. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 17 million reviews, which means it has been downloaded quite a lot. And look at the downloads. Currently this app has over 1 billion downloads, and this is the tagline: transfer, share files. So if you see these details, you will know that you have the right app. Now to install it, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of SHAREit app and then install it on your smartphone. Now from here, if you go to your apps, and now you should see your SHAREit app is installed. Open it and then agree and continue to start sharing files across devices. So that's how you can download and install the right SHAREit app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.